Good afternoon, traders. It's Richard Miller here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review of the Xetra Dax, the German DAX index. Some interesting price action in the last couple of days. We can see after becoming too extended from the top end of the cloud, the DAX pulled back a little bit. Tested support here at the turning line or the conversion line of the cloud. That's the green line. And then support failed there a little bit, and then the DAX tested the standard line or the baseline of the cloud for support, and that support failed, and now it's managed to rebound from the top end of the cloud, and that's so far so good. If I can put a line in there, you can see that line, that support level coincides well with these old highs that was the resistance for most of November. Now it's critical for the market to continue a follow through of this rebound, and then the next resistance level to look out for is the front end of the cloud. Yeah, that's going to be interesting to see if the DAX will be able to get back above the 13,710. But so far so good. Encouraging price action here. Looks like support is at the top end of the cloud. Now if support fails at this level, we're going to dip into the cloud, and then the old cloud levels are the levels to watch out for support. This top in the cloud here coincides well with the November lows, which seems to be a key support level. So that's the next level that it can dip into the cloud, and fail that, then we're going to hit this horrifying 12.8 at the bottom end of the cloud. Note that we've got a MACD sell signal here, so things are drifting a little bit lower, but looking for a potential rebound from the top end of the cloud here, and then back up to the front end of the cloud. Now if we go to the weekly chart, you can see the weekly chart, we're still struggling to maintain upwards momentum past the January high here. So that's a key support zone. Front end of the cloud here, the weekly support level sits there. Let me just put that line in there. So we can see here the front end of the cloud here, that sits there. 13,189 is a key front cloud support level. So we can see this correction retest these levels, 13,189 and 13,067. You can see this level coincides well with the level of the daily, and that's also top end of the cloud of the old support level, the front end of the cloud here. So that's the situation. The weekly, the downside risk is down to the bottom end here, the standard line, 12,780, around about that figure, is the next level of support of the cloud, Ichimoku cloud. So we can see these levels being tested if the follow through of the rebound on the daily does not materialize. Now the other thing is, let's go look at the 4 hour just to have a bit more of a intraday such scenario. You can see here we sliced through the bottom in the cloud. That turned the outlook from bullish to bearish on a 4 hour. So price action slightly bearish. If price action is below the cloud, that's bearish from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. So levels to watch out for is this levels. Successful retest here. Will be interesting to see if we're going to be able to maintain momentum back above this bottom end cloud charts level on the 4 hour chart. And then the upside targets here is this level here at the front end of the cloud. So that would be 13,850. So this rally could rally up back up to 13,850 if we manage to stay above the bottom end of the cloud this week. So it's critical for the DAX to stay above that level on a 4 hour chart. If that fails, we're going to retest these levels, and then ultimately we'll hit these bottom end cloud chart levels here if the bearish outlook continues on the 4 hour chart. Okay, so watch out. We'll see if the DAX will be able to maintain its upward momentum back up to the top end of the cloud. Yeah, so that's the opportunity. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading.